Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be working on a trail I started a couple months ago, and she's looking pretty rough right now. As you can see, it's pretty dusty, so let's get started working on it. So I know I didn't pack the berm. I didn't pack it because soil. So it's just really dry, and it's just not really a crazy trail. It's just a fun little berm line. So no use in really packing it because it's just gonna crumble again. So oh well. You start right here, right at the top. Got a little. That's it. So